Good afternoon, boys and girls. Okay, today we'll do exercise 15C. Okay, it's about circle. In question 1, we have to find the circumference of the circles whose radius and diameter are given. Okay, so the formula of circumference is, if radius is given, then 2 pi r. Okay, this is the formula, and you know the value of pi. The value of pi is 22 upon 7, or you can write 3.14. You can use any of these values, okay, in place of pi. So look at A part. Radius is given 7 centimeter, and you have to find circumference. So we'll use the formula 2 pi r. Now 2 into this is pi and this is r. Now 7 is cancelled by 7 and multiply, and you get 44 centimeter. Okay, now in B part, diameter is given. So if diameter is given, we'll use the formula pi d. Now d equal to 2r, so they are the same. Okay, so in place of d you can write 2r when radius is given. So we'll use here pi d. Okay, so multiply pi and d. So you get here 220 upon 7. If you divide, you get 31.42 centimeter. Okay, now you can do the remaining parts yourself. Okay, second one, you have to find the area. Okay, so area of circle, what is the formula? Pi r square is the formula. Okay, here radius is given 3 centimeter. So pi into r. Okay, now multiply them and divide by 7, and we get here 28.28 centimeter square is the area. Okay, next C part, you look, radius is 120 centimeter, same formula pi r square. So pi into r, you multiply and simplify it. So we get 45257.14 centimeter square is the area. Okay, now look at question 3. You have to find diameter. Okay, and circumference is given. So here in A part, circumference is 31.4 centimeter. Now pi d is the formula for circumference. So pi d equal to this much. This is circumference. So d will be equal to 31.4 upon pi. Now substitute the value of pi here. 3.14 is the value, and divide. So simplify it and you get 10 centimeter. Okay, now look at C part. Circumference is given 63 centimeter. So you have to find diameter. So pi d equal to 63 and d equal to 63 upon pi. So I have put here the value of pi as 22 upon 7. So write 22 here and 7 will go in the numerator. Now multiply and divide. So you get 20.05 centimeter. So this is your diameter. Okay, now fourth question, Okay. In fourth, you have to find radius and area is given. Okay. So you know the formula of area. Here in a part area is 28.3 centimeter square and formula is pi r square. So pi r square equal to the area which is 28.3. So r square equal to area upon pi. So divide by 3.14. So you get 9.012. Now this is the value of r square, and to find r you have to find the square root of this. So find the square root and you get 3, around 3, it's not exact, approximately it's 3 centimeter. Okay. So here to find a square root, it's not in your syllabus, so you can use calculator also, or yes, okay, it will not come like this, where perfect square is there, that will be given in your exam, so don't worry about this too much. Okay, now here look at C part. Area is given 3.14 centimeter square. So r square equal to 3.14 upon pi. So pi value of pi I have written 3.14. Now they are same, so divide, you will get 1. And 1 is perfect square, so square root of 1 is 1. So this is your radius. Okay, in next one, E part, area is given, so use the same method, divide by pi. So you get here 144. So 144 is the square of 12. Okay, so you can write here also. Okay, so 12 into 12 is 144. So square root of 144 is 12. You can write over here 12 into 12. So square root is 12 here. Okay, so this is your radius. Okay, now look at question 5, which is in table form. So you are given, so you have to find the missing digits here, missing numbers. So in first one, the radius you have to find. Diameter is given. So diameter is 30, radius is half of diameter, so divide by 2. So 15 meter is the radius here. Now you have to find circumference. So formula you know, pi into d. So multiply and you get your circumference. Okay, now the next one, C part. Diameter is given and you have to find radius here also, so divide by 2, you get 7.8 meter. Now area formula is pi r square, so pi into r, multiply all three and you get 191.04 centimeter square. Okay, now E part, radius is given and you have to find circumference. So use the formula 2 pi r, 2 into pi into r. Multiply all three and you get 276.32. This is your circumference. Okay, then look at question 6 now. Circumference of a circle is given 31.4. Now you have to find radius. So this is the formula of circumference. So to find r, you have to divide by 2 pi here. So 2 into pi, this is the value of pi. So now simplify it. Okay, put a 0 and remove decimal by decimal and just cancel it by, so 10 times it comes here. Now divide by 2, you get 5. So 5 centimeter is the radius. Then the last question, you have to calculate the area and radius is given. So formula of area, you know, pi r square. So this is the value of pi and r into r. Multiply all three and you get approximately 2.01 centimeter square. That's the area. Okay, so this is all in exercise 15C. Okay, in the next class, you have one or more exercise here, I think. Yes. So in the next class, we'll do 15D. Okay. So just go through these conversions here. That's important for your calculations. Okay, go through this table and the examples, and then we'll start. Okay, only 6. Okay, few questions are there, so we'll finish it in the next class. Okay, so just go through these examples and the table.